Captain Swati, Sri Durga are requested to receive their prizes. The best house in co-curricular activities goes to Sahana. May I request House Master GKVD Prasad, House Captain Tishya and Vice Captain KRC Prasad to receive their prizes. And the overall best house goes to Sahana once again. Once again, House Master Mr. GKVD Prasad and House Captain with Vice Captain Tishya and KRC Prasad to receive their prizes. Seeing is believing. Now we are going to witness the outstanding achievers in various fields. To believe that Nalanda Vidyaniketan is always on its toes to bring out the excellence in the students through various talent search examinations at all levels. I shall read out the event and the level and the competition of each event and the achievers and the rank secured. Starting with Cyber Olympiad, which is a national level talent search examination. This is conducted by the Science Olympiad Foundation. More than 500 schools in India would participate in this. Now may I request Rahul Sandeep of 9th A, who secured 403 rank among these 50,000 participants all over India. The next event is ICMAS Abacus. The achiever is P. Yashwant Sai of 8th D, who secured state first rank, and more than 20,000 children would participate in this Abacus, a maths-based examination. Coming to the next event, Triumph Institute of Management Education quiz competition, that is time quiz, conducted at regional, state as well as national level. Here are the achievers: P. Sai Krishna of 10th B and B. Harindra of 10th A, who secured 7th prize All India level, also 4th prize at South India level. This time is a reputed institute in AP, offers coaching for civil services, management aptitude tests, common aptitude tests and gate entrance examinations. Our children have secured 7th in national and 4th in South India level. Next event, the Hindu Young World Quiz, the most reputed English newspaper in India, conducted the quiz competition regional level where 240 schools participated. Now may I request KRC Prasad of 8th G and Siddhartha of 9th H to receive their medals. They stood first over 480 participants, 2 from each school, that is from 240 schools. This has been conducted at Coastal Andhra level. Coming to the sports now. From gymnastics, ALS Anuhya of 9th C, who received gold medal at national level. And archery state level competition, I request Jyoti Sureka of 7th E, who bagged gold medal at state level. And in swimming also, we have gold and silver medalists. The student is Vishwanath Satyanarayana of 7th E, who received the gold and silver medal at state level. Coming to the drawing international competition here, the achiever is U. Dharmaja of 6th H, who took the first place from India all the way. The grand finale is conducted in Singapore. The participant all the way, she went to Singapore to receive her prize. And this is the international drawing competition. Coming to the drawing competition in state level, we have ASS Likith of 7th D, who bagged first prize. And recently organized National Science Congress at Vizag, we have K. Bhavishya Chandra, who received Infosys ISCA Travel Award. This is the national-wide event organized at Vizag. I once again request Nalanda to join their hands to give the big applaud to all these trumpets of Nalanda Vidyaniketan. As the customary of Nalanda Vidyaniketan, we also have some memorial medallions which are given to the outstanding students every year on this great occasion. And this year, the best outgoing student for the academic year 2007-8 goes to TRS Pavan Kumar of 10th B. The prize is donated by Sri A.V. Subbarao Garu in memory of his son, Mr. A. Sudhir Babu Garu. We also have the 10th class topper for the academic year 2006 and 7, D. Kavya, who secured 472 marks out of 600. The award is donated by Sri K. Basavapurnaya Garu, our director, in memory of his brother Sri K. Nageshwarao Garu. Also, we have 7th class topper for the academic year 2006-7, C.H. Charan Teja. The award is donated by Sri Sai Babu Garu in memory of his wife, Mrs. T. Annapurna Garu, who was the former head of the Department of Social Studies, Nalanda Vidyaniketan. Also, we have got a special prize here. This is to the subject topper in Social Studies in the 10th class for academic year 2006-7. The prize goes to M. Sushma. This is donated by Mr. VPRV Gopal Garu in memory of his sister Mrs. T. Annapurna Garu. Also, we have here not only the students who are attending the school regularly without absenteeism, but also there are few teachers who have shown their commitment and dedication towards the work by being present to the school on all working days. Now I shall call upon these healthy and energetic teachers on the dais to take their 1 month salary cash prize. Once again, I request our honorable correspondent to give this token of encouragement. Mrs. K. Jayalakshmi of Science Department from Primary. I request all NVN teachers to join their hands for token of encouragement. Ms. Sheikh Shabana of Social Department Primary. Ms. G. Anita of ECA Department Primary. Mrs. Sheikh Nazma of KG Department Primary. And Mrs. Tabasum of English from Secondary. Thank you, sir. I request Mrs. G. Gayatri to take over.
At this joyous moment of NVN completing 10 years, the management takes pride in felicitating the members of staff who have served the institution from the inception, that is 1998. Now may I request our correspondent sir to present mementos to these members of staff. I call upon Mrs. M. Sobarani, Head of the Department of Mathematics, who has proved an indispensable person right from day one in the upliftment of the school. She actively engages herself in formulating teaching strategies and implementing systems. And as a senior, sincere, devoted member, she sets an example to her juniors. I would like all of you to give her a big hand. Now I call upon Srimati K. Kanakadurga, teacher in kindergarten. She is known for her loving and patient care towards the small children in KG. She is also responsible for training and guiding the new teachers in the kindergarten section. The third person to receive this memento is Mrs. Satyaveni, the office assistant. She has been a very good support to the administration from the beginning, and she can work patiently for very long hours.
Now may I take the privilege of announcing the name of another great personality who served to the cause of keeping the school abreast in the city for this whole period of 10 years. It is none other than our beloved principal, the gentle force behind a big achievement, Srimati G. Gayatri Garu. May I now request the correspondent Sri A. Vijay Babu Garu to present her the memento. Srimati G. Gayatri Garu started her career in Nalanda Vidyaniketan as the vice principal. With the help of her sheer administrative skills and the hard and long-lasting endeavor to achieve success, she became the principal of the school and now heading the staff in the onward march of Nalanda Vidyaniketan. Thank you, sir.
May I now take the privilege of announcing a small felicitation to our honored correspondent, Sir Sri A. Vijay Babu Garu. Please be seated. We cannot imagine a day without the dynamic leadership of Sri A. Vijay Babu Garu. This great person, loved by children very much, is felicitated by the children themselves fondly. In fact, we see every day even small children rushing to talk to him and to touch him affectionately. His futuristic approach, visualizing at least 10 years ahead, is always shrewd and practical. His planning has certainly made NVN reach the altitudes. His vigor and leadership will keep NVN's topmost position in the state for many years and in the years to come. Thank you very much, sir.
I now request our correspondent, Sir Sri A. Vijay Babu Garu, to address the gathering.
సభకు నమస్కారం. 10 సంవత్సరాల నలంద విద్యానికేతన్ ప్రస్థానం స్థాపించిన మొట్టమొదటి సంవత్సరం 1998 నుండి నేటి వరకు నమ్మిన సిద్ధాంతాలను విద్యార్థులకు తల్లిదండ్రులకు అందించడంలో నిర్విరామంగా కృషి చేస్తున్న మాకు మా విద్యార్థులకు తల్లిదండ్రులు అందించిన ప్రోత్సాహం మరువలేనిది. మొట్టమొదటి సంవత్సరంలో ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి కంప్యూటర్ శిక్షణ, కంప్యూటర్ ద్వారా విద్యను అందించటం మా ప్రాస్పెక్టస్లో ప్రతిపాదించినప్పుడు ఎంతోమంది విద్యార్హత కలవారు విద్యాధిపతులు 1వ క్లాసు నుండి